What's up, everybody? We're gonna be looking at the heart then. With the video on DJ. Let's watch it.
Yo, this is a robbery.
Get out of here, man.
Oh shit!
Get out
Oh
of
shit! Shit. Oh no! Don't chase me out here.
I'm gonna get you. Jeez.
That was funny. And this is part 2.
Yo, this is a robbery.
This actually looks like GTA 4. Okay, this is part 3 of it.
Just gonna go over here and check my email real quick.
Nah, that's GTA 5. Because when you get a garage, that actually means you get an apartment too. Did y'all know that when you actually buy a garage, there's a door over on that side of it, and there's a door so you can go up to your apartment. That's sweet.
Could do walking around my apartment with a gun in my hand, no big deal. Let's play some pool, never mind.
Did you ever know that he actually plays Adventure Time with Adam?
What the? God! Do these. Yeah.
Okay, this is gonna be number 5 right here.
Okay, here I am, just standing all alone in my apartment.
Yo, this is a robbery. Give me all your stuff. Okay, I'm out of here.
Sometimes when you see a video, they actually ask you for a download of Minecraft, start download. I don't want to get that done. And it's still there. Right down here. You see that Minecraft face? The Minecraft, yeah. Okay. And make that number 6. I tried this one because it's actually about her done too.
Hey, boy, get back here right now.
You're never gonna catch me. I'm a getaway artist.
Jump off that ledge. Oh, jeez. I need to.
He used a parachute. He pretended that he pushed him. Oh, did you see this Hike Plays?
Hey, Tasman.
Is that you, Hopman?
Wanna go score some drugs with me?
Okay.
Hop on in.
Okay.
Please hurry, I need drugs quick.
I'm on my way.
Hey, Tasman, you gonna get
There in a second.
You gonna get in the car or what?
I am in. Okay, let's go.
Well, it's enough. Let's roll.
Oh, no, my back.
I can't wait for all these drugs.
Need
I'll
him.
be partying.
I know a guy.
Oh, fire sale.
Oh, God, no. That's no problem. It's close. Ooh, cow. Look at that. Look at that right there.
I looked at the satellite navigation and it said, you know you're there when you hit the street post.
First, we're gonna walk around these pools a few times.
To get dizzy?
Alright, that looks pretty good. Go follow me. Right, here he is. You gotta take his knife out. I got your knife handy.
I got this gun, oh.
Don't do that. We're not gonna do drugs. Hey, wait.
I'll get him to stop.
Then you gotta shake him a few times. Just
Wait, he's trying to mail liver.
oh, jeez. Did you shoot him?
No,
He got shot.
I didn't.
He got shot. Now I gotta start over.
See, the Harpin plays with Adam on Adventure Time Minecraft, Trapped in the Twilight Forest, episode 3. Adam is Finn and Jake, and the Harpin is Jake. Harpin is cute. Let's see if I get some more GTA ones.
We got an officer down. I'm an undercover cop. Oh!
Tasman undercover. Tasman is the Harden's friend.
Oh, no!
I'm real sorry.
When you learn to drive. I'm an undercover cop. Why are the cops shooting me? I'm undercover. There goes the criminal.
You'll
I'm
never
after
catch
you.
me. You'll never catch me.
I'm after you, dude. Get in the way. Lucky I was such a good driver.
You're gonna hide.
I wonder where he went. Well, officers, his car appears to be parked against this tree. Better ask some of these witnesses for some information. Oh, anyone's seen a criminal? He was in a car. Nope, obviously not. He could be anywhere. He even could be in this bush. He could be right in front of me. I don't know. Got away this time. Hey, he's making a break for the hot dog!
Okay, that's it for the GTA one. Now we're gonna go play the Minecraft one, but not the Adventure Time one. It's like one of the regular ones. Cause there's not no more GTA ones. Which one was there? Is that by him? No, it's not. Yes, watch this. Yes, what's that? Redstone. I'll be back in a second so I can skip this. Okay, we're back. With the Harpins. The Harden.
Us to do a video on the redstone under the bowling alley here in Scotland, and maybe kind of explain how you might be able to set one of these up for yourself. And for
Is he playing that on Greg now?
this is pretty much what happens.
Ooh, it's good.
Actually build one of
It's
these
good.
on the video so you can kind of see how it's done step by step. So I'm gonna go show you what's behind here and see how it's set up.
Oh my god, boy. He had a mine and then he
It's here.
did that.
Here's where the pressure plates are above. So when one of them triggers it, it'll set this off and then it'll
He's good with redstone.
turn off and then it'll
Amazing.
piston trap. And I'll explain all this a little bit more when I show you how to build one. And from here on, this whole setup is just for the lights, or if you are wanting like music blocks or something like that, you can do it. If you don't,
I heard clicking.
then you can
Y'all hear that clicking?
stop building it here. So I will
Yeah, it's on creative mode.
This is just what it looks like when you have multiple lanes next to each other. Alright, so to save a little time, I just decided to build all the boring stuff off camera, and I'll show you all the redstone while I'm recording. So the main part here is that there's ice underneath the half slab, so whatever object
Oh, so that's how they'll be sliding.
But I decided to make it as small as I could, so it is 5 wide. Everything with the light wood here is isotert. Then you're going to need to put a space here so you can put your pressure plates, which we're going to put one in the middle and then one on each side.
You can't even see them.